Hello everyone, welcome to another session of book list for the Indian Economic Services. Well, in this short session, we are going to talk about the book list for the General Economics paper 3. Now, for the previous two papers for the book list, on those two papers, you can simply go to the link over here appearing on your screen and get hold of the previous two sessions on the book list for Indian Economic Services. Now, General Economics paper 3. This paper has been subdivided into 4 categories or 4 topics. So let me first of all give you the names. So the first part is public economics. Second part is environmental economics. In the third part, they have mentioned the industrial economics. And the fourth part is the state market and planning. State market and planning. Okay. So, to start with the public economics, there are 2 books. One is Musgrave and Musgrave, and the another one is H.L. Bhatia. Now, in my previous sessions, I have rigorously mentioned that for the 2 books that I am giving you out, you only have to go for 1 book. But for this public economics, it is not the situation. This Musgrave and Musgrave, it is good for the world perspective, but for Indian perspective of this public finance, H.L. Bhatia is the best book that you can find. So get hold of this H.L. Bhatia for the Indian public economics or public finance. Okay. Now, coming back to this environmental economics. So here, Charles D. Colstad. This is a book for environmental economics, but this is not sufficient. Yes, you heard it right. This is not sufficient. You also have to go through the newspaper. What are the newspaper? Of course, the Hindu is there. In the Hindu, you don't have to read the whole paper. Suppose you don't have the time, do not read the whole paper from front to the last page. But one important thing that you have to get hold in this Hindu paper is the editorial and the opinion section. That is very important because that will actually help you to understand how the economy works, what are the perspective, what are the views of the big economists or the businessmen. So that is why the editorial portion of this Hindu is very important. And apart from that, there is also Express, the Express. In the Express, you only have to go through the business section of the paper. No need to go through the whole paper again. So this is about the newspaper. Apart from this newspaper, there is also one thing that you need to get hold of, the internet. Now in the internet, what you will find for this environmental economics? That should be the question arising in your minds. So from the internet, you have to get through the conferences, the agreements that are taken up for this environmental economics. Like in the syllabus also, you will find that Paris Agreement, Paris Climate Agreement, which was or Doha Agreement. Okay, so these type of agreements, update on that, how the further procedure is going to be, all those information you can find in the internet. So in the internet, you have to go through the conferences, list of conferences you first of all find out. Then the conferences, you have to go through each and every one, like how the conferences are, what is the time period that they have started, what's the objective, what's the perspective, what's the motive, and then you come back to your making your own notes. Okay, so this is about how the internet usage is going to be under this environmental economics. Now for the industrial economics, if you take a look at the syllabus, you will find the syllabus to have a similarity with the market portion of microeconomics. Okay, so for that you can refer to this H.L. Ahuja or Confucianist. HL Ahuja or Confucianist, you can refer to either of the two. Here you will find an or, but here and. Okay, so you have to go through these two, but here you can refer to any one of the two. And for the state planning and market, the best book you can refer to is the Uma Kapila here. Also for this state market and planning portion, you can also refer to a single chapter from the M.L. Jingam. The chapter name or the chapter number actually varies from version or the edition of the book, so that is why I'm not giving out the chapter name, but you can also refer to Jingam. So here also there is an or, and apart from all these, there you also have to refer the journals on this EPW. I hope it is visible up to you. Apart from this, you have to refer the EPW section or the Economic Political Weekly, where you will find the publishing of many important journals are there. So that is why this, under the state market and planning, the EPW journal, or you can also refer to the JSTOR. So another thing is JSTOR. This portion also, in either of the two sites, you can have a visit, and then you can find the journals, important journals on economics. Okay, so that is it about this book list for General Economics Paper 3. I really hope this session is helpful to you. And if it is, show your support by hitting the like button. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from our channel. I hope to see you in one of my next sessions, and stay tuned for the fourth part of the book list for Indian Economic Services. Thank you very much everyone. Have a great day.